we saw that electrons occupy the space in a particular order, right? We saw this. So 1s, 2s, so on and so forth. But we saw an anomaly, some weird thing basically. Before 3D, 4s was filled. So that is what the question is. Why don't electron always fill in a straight sequence like 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d and so on and so forth? Why is that they're not doing this? So I'm giving an oversimplified answer. So this is the answer, right? Things to understand this, that is each subshell has a different energy level. So the energy that this space will have is different than this, and so on and so forth. Okay, right? That's the very first thing. And electrons are a bit lazy. They want to use the least energy possible. They're always picking the easiest and most comfortable spot available. Okay guys, so each subshell has a different energy level. Not all orbitals are created equal. Some take more energy to get into than others. And that's why 4s gets filled before 3D, because it's easier to get in. Even though 3D comes after 3p, it actually takes more energy than 4s. So electron jump into 4s first, like choosing a lower step while climbing something on a higher level, right? Again, this is an oversimplified answer, but this is a step towards understanding. So the question was that why does this happen? Over here, and so on and so forth. Why does this happen? And the answer is this. Each of this 1s, 2s, and so on and so forth, they have different energy level. All of this subshells and all, they have different energy level. And the electrons, they try to occupy the least energy, the most comfortable one. Again, provided the before ones are already filled, right? That's obvious. And then they look for the most easiest. So a simple answer is 4s is much easier to occupy than 3d. It takes less energy to do so, right? And that's the answer. Okay guys.